Yes, sir.
So good evening, my dear friends from my country. And we have been coming on
Good
this
evening, sir.
platform more than 1 month.
Good morning, sir.
And we have improved here. We have made progress here. We have got fluency. We have got experience to speak in English. We have got fluency. We have got confidence.
We have got confidence.
Sir, thank you for making this opportunity.
But to get more confidence, you need different types of vocabulary. That's why I have chosen today different vocabulary. Do you know which vocabulary we are going to study today?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
crime,
sir. On crime.
Vocabulary about crime, sir.
Crime.
Related to
Crime.
crime.
Okay. So crime.
Crime. Yes.
Actually, we need varieties of vocabulary to improve our English. If you say all time, what's your name, then how do you spend your day, then what is your favorite game, what is your favorite food, and that is not enough for our vocabulary. That's why I have chosen one different topic. Okay. So shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So crime is ready for you. Okay, so just you can see on the screen. Crime is ready. Okay.
Sir, mute all.
Yeah. Okay. So, dear my friends, we don't like to commit a crime because we want to be gentlemen in our life. That's why we are afraid of breaking rules. We don't like to go against the law, but we need to learn such type of words to improve our English. So on the screen you can see crime, against the law. If you do something illegal, wrong, against the law, then you have committed a crime. You have committed a crime. Okay, we all have committed a crime in our life. I know that. I'm not going to ask you, okay, but that's the reality in our life. We all have committed a crime, small crime, big crime, but we have committed a crime. Most of people commit a crime at some time in their lives. Most of people commit a crime at some time in their lives. For example, driving above the speed limit. Yes or no, drive without, okay, we go sometime without helmet. It's also crime. And nowadays, if you don't put on, if you don't use the mask, then that is also crime, okay?
Yes, sir.
Whatever you
Yes,
do against
sir.
the law, that is crime. Committed a crime. So, most people commit a crime at some time in their lives, driving above the speed limit, parking illegally, and stealing sweets from a shop when they were children.
But sometimes it's very necessary to speed up our vehicles. Unfortunately, knowingly or unknowingly, we have committed the crime.
That's right, that's right. We commit a crime in our life. So now let's know different type of crime. What is crime? That is clear, and we all commit a crime in our life. I have also committed a crime sometime, parking our vehicle in a non-parking area. Sometime I
Yes,
go.
I think no person on the earth has
Okay, theft. Our first crime is theft. General word for stealing. Okay, and the person who theft this all thing, the person who steals this all thing is called thief. Got it? Very simple word, steal. Okay, next one is robbery. Steal from people or place or places. So robber or rob. This also verb. So we have studied two new verbs, steal and rob. And sometimes some people confuse what is the difference between steal and rob. But if you can understand this definition, you can understand. Steal from people or places. And now burglary, break into a shop, house and steal something. And now so many burglars you can see. If you are not present your house at home, if your house is locked for more than 1 week, then it's a most favorite place for burglar. They can
Burglars.
come anytime to your house. They can break into your house and they can steal any valuable things. Okay. So burgle is a verb mostly used break into. They broke into my house and they stole many valuable things. Next, shoplifting. Shoplifting, steal from shops when open. Shoplifter and shoplift. Next one is murder. Oh my God. Murder. Kill someone by intention. That is called murder. Murderer and killer, we can say. And men's laughter. Men's laughter. Kill someone by accident. Not intensely. Not with intention. By accident, you kill someone, then men's laughter. And last one is rape. Force someone to have sex. He's called the rapist. And verb is rape. Okay, so now ball is in your court and try to make some sentences by using these words. Let's commit a crime. Okay. So today we cannot share our own sentences. Sir, last year I went there and today you have to talk about other person. Yeah. So who is ready to make some sentences? You can choose any word from crime and try to make sentences. Have you ever seen a robbery in your life?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Santa madam. Good evening and welcome.
Good evening, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. All my friends, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, in the mail you sent a lot of words, no, sir?
Yeah.
Here you discuss only few.
So you want to know some more words? Okay, I have one more file. Let me discuss this all, then we will come to, okay? Actually, that file is not clear. That's why, okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Here. Can you see here?
Yes, yes.
Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make sure you know the difference between the verb steal and rob. The object of the verb steal is the thing which is taken away. Taken away, okay? And they stole my bike. Whereas the object of verb rob is the person or place from which things are stolen. I was robbed last night. A masked man robbed the bank. Steal is irregular or steal, stole, stolen. You don't need to learn this all. You know very well that thing, all things. Okay, next one is murder, killing someone, and murderer or murder. This is a verb. And shoplifting, we have already completed. Burglary, stealing from someone's house. That burglar and burgle. Okay, smuggling, yes, taking something illegally into another country. Into another country. That is called smuggling.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and smuggler and smuggle. They smuggle a lot of smugglers, smuggle things, and that's why it is called smuggling, and smuggling is a crime. Smuggling is a crime. And next one is arson. Okay, arson. Also, R is silent. Arson. You also can say arson.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, arson. Arson. A is long in arson means setting
Arson.
fire to something in a criminal way. Arsonist to set fire. Okay, yeah, it happened in Delhi just few months ago. Arsonists arson many bikes and cars and shops also. They damage lot of cars and other vehicles.
Yes, with fire.
Yes.
Yeah, so very easy. So set fire to, that is called arson. Okay,
Sir, give some example of sentence
arson.
using arson.
Arson. Okay, so many
Can I
cars.
give?
Yeah.
I wrote a sentence.
Okay. Yeah. Complete it.
Terrorists arson the ammunition building in Kashmir.
Okay. Good. So Lakshmi or Papya? Yeah, it's Papya. Papya. Arson burned out. Lakshmi. Arsonists burn down many cars and bikes in riots. Can you understand now?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have made two sentences using arson and crime.
Okay.
May I?
One
May
more.
I speak?
Last word. Let me complete last word. Then the ball will be in your court. Okay. Kidnapping, taking a person hostage in exchange for money or other favors. Kidnap or kidnap. And we can also add one more word, hijack. So some terrorists hijacked the plane and the plane was taken to the Kandahar.
It happens, sir.
It happens. That's reality. Yes. So here is the end of our words, and now you can make sentences. Let's make sentences about crime. Let's talk about criminals.
Can I speak, sir?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
I wrote a small story using this
Okay.
these words. This is the story of a thief. A 5-year-old boy from a poor family had stolen some food from a neighboring house, but his parents neither beat nor scolded him. Few years later, he robbed a purse from a man near a bus stop. When he became 19 years old, he had broken the house for burglary, but he was not satisfied with the money. He formed a gang and went to a diamond shop for shoplifting. After that, they kidnapped the shop owner and arson the shop. Later, he demanded the family for money. The family members rejected to give money. He murdered the shop owner. Later, he became a great smuggler.
Good, good, good. Very good. So you have made a nice paragraph, so we can understand easily how to use these all words in a sentence. Good. Anybody wants to make sentences by using?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nidhi.
Yes, sir. Sir, I made a sentence with the use of stealing.
Okay.
The morning light was stealing through the windows.
Okay. Now, Sima Urana, if you are ready,
And yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready. Robber shoplift gold from gold shop. He murdered a shopkeeper and kidnapped his little son and arson his shop. This is my paragraph of some words, sir. Can I once again read?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Robber shoplift gold from a gold shop. He murders the shopkeeper and kidnaps his little son and arson his shop.
So
Sir,
Is it
I have a
correct?
question.
Is it correct, sir?
yeah, okay. They burnt out their shop.
I want to
His
make a
shop.
Because
He burns up
arson
his
is
shop.
not a that is a crime. That name of that crime is called arson. Arson. Okay. And
Okay,
set
okay,
fire
sir.
or just burn out.
Burn out. Okay, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, Lakshmi.
Sir, robber can only rob, or they also can shoplift it.
Uh,
Yeah. That is a
the
problem.
robbers,
Robbers cannot stop.
the robbers can rob our property or places, uh, but not shoplifting. Shoplifting means we intensively go to the shop and steal some things in the shop.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, robbers means a big crime, and lift is a small and intentionally
Yes.
crime.
Yeah,
Okay.
dacoits. One type of dacoits you can say.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but just showing the gun, they can rob you. Okay. And stealing means you don't know. They come silently. They break into your house and they steal without knowing you. That is called stealing or steal or theft. Okay. But
Okay,
rob-
sir. I understand. I
they
understand.
rob everything.
Okay.
Okay. So now this is your turn to make sentences. If you make this type of sentences, if you have some questions, then we can understand. So start making questions, start making sentences. The more you speak, the more you can understand.
Sir, may I?
Yes, Lakshmi.
First one is I have made first one is by arson. When people do protest, they often arson bus, bike, public vehicles, which has an harmful effect on society. So we should stop arson as a means of showing objection. Is it correct, sir?
Okay, correct. Okay, one more word, please write down. Assassinated. Assassinated. ASSINATED. Assassinated. Mahatma Gandhi
Assassinating.
was assassinated
Yeah,
by.
sir. Assassinate. Killing the person means
To kill a person for a political reason.
Yeah,
Yes,
so any
being a
political
great man.
person for reason or for other reason, politics, someone kill. That is called assassination.
The US Army assassinated the Iran army chief the last 2 months
Perfect.
back, sir.
Perfect.
Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated by Tamil Eelam.
Yeah, Tamil tigers or whatever you can say. Good. So Ranjana Goswami now.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. So, sir, I made sentence by using that word. So, my first sentence is: the thief stole the most precious ring from palace. And second one is: his own uncle robbed his father after his death.
Okay.
And my third sentence is: there were total 5 murder case repeated in the past 2 months. And my fourth sentence: the poor woman unknowingly shoplifted some stuff from that market. And next one: Mukesh was arrested 2 times for the case of smuggling drug. And my last sentence is: there is a great spike in the number of cases of kidnapping in the recent time.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's it.
So please listen to me, and you can also make one sentence. I'm going to tell you story, and sometime I will just remain the sentence half. Then you can add my sentence. Okay, means you can complete my sentence. So, dear friends, I want to tell you a story of Kabira, not Fakira. Okay, I'm telling a story of Kabira. And when he was 10 years old, he started stealing. He started stealing money from his classmates. He started stealing with some small things, pencils, notebooks, pens, and small amount of money. Okay, but when he turned into 16, he joined a gang, and they started.
Gangs.
Then you can use what they started at the age of 16. What type of crap rules they broke? What type of crime they committed? Yes.
Murder.
Robbery.
Okay.
Robbery, murder, kidnapping,
No, directly at
smuggling.
16 years old. No. One by one. Okay. So they started shoplifting. We can say they started shoplifting.
Okay, sir.
And they became very popular criminals in their area at the age of 18. So they joined big gang. Big criminals, famous criminals, because they had reputations to shoplifting, and so they one day they joined one group of arsonists, and they burnt out some shops. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Arsonist. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And they wanted to make more money. They wanted to make much more money, though, so they started kidnapping, and they become kidnappers. Is it clear? So one day they kidnapped the one daughter of the famous businessman, but businessman did not give money, so they
shot dead.
So they committed to murder.
They shot dead.
Murder.
So they become very famous killers, kidnappers.
Notorious. Sir, we can use notorious killers.
Yeah.
We can also use the word rape here.
Yeah, we can use, but you can add it. Then they did this one. This is the fiction story. You can add anything.
Yes.
Okay.
And they also committed to rob the banks.
Yeah.
Because there is so much money there.
Our main intention is to learn these all words. And how can we learn new words? By using in a sentence. Yes, Pankaj.
Sir, I have a question. May I?
Yeah.
Sir, before some time, USA killed Osama bin Laden, right?
Yeah.
So how can we say?
You can say.
What's the appropriate word for that? Appropriate word. I want to know what is the appropriate word for that.
Is it terrorist or?
Okay.
So the word assassinated
you can use assassinated. Assassinated. Osama bin Laden was assassinated by US Army. Got it?
Because I was confused between assassinated and murder. That's why I'm asking that.
Okay, murder means just you want to get money from that person. While robbing, while kidnapping, you cannot get, and you have to kill.
There may be any reason.
And sir, may I say?
But political reason or religious reason, you kill someone.
Okay.
That is called
assassinated.
Yeah.
Assassinated.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Murder is general.
So Mahatma Gandhi was not killed for money. Rajiv Gandhi was not killed for money, okay? So that was a reason, political, religious. That time, that is called assassinated. Is there any problem now?
No, sir. No, sir.
So now you can also make a story of any person by using these all words.
Sir, I'm going to tell one incident which has happened recently in my locality.
Yeah.
One person murdered one girl. He was related to her. So he, for hiding that murder, he murdered another 9 people who are from her family.
Oh my God.
So he poured some sleeping poison in their food and murdered them. And later he just
Thrown them in
threw
a
all of
well.
them into the well.
Thrown them
Yes,
in a well.
all of them into the well. So this incident had happened 2 years ago, and now the policeman investigated and found the criminal. So we are afraid to go out and watching these all incidents, what are happening our surrounding. We don't know when the thieves steal our wallet, and we don't know when the robbers rob our property. And also sometimes the parents mainly fearing of their children because the about kidnapping, and also smuggling also has been happening in our India for many years, but we cannot control all these things. Yes, sir.
Smuggling is a big business. That's why.
Yes, sir.
But the
Especially in
smugglers
gold.
don't touch us. But smugglers don't touch us. No. Only thieves rob us.
Okay, so today, first time it happens in this Zoom meeting or on this platform, speakers are silent. Most of the time what happened, they all want to get chance to speak, but they don't have enough time, they don't get enough time to speak. But today you have enough time to speak on this topic, but speakers are silent. I don't know reason.
Because we are afraid of these words, sir. Not
No,
related
sir.
to us.
But I already sent these all words in your email. Then what did you do all day? Yeah. So now,
I would try, sir. I would try 2 or
yes,
3 words. I will.
Anuj from Delhi. Yes.
Sir, the first word is before Bombay blast in Mumbai. It was very common to go and do shoplifting by the person who worked for the Don, the famous Don. His name is Daud Abraham. His person used to go and they steal the shops for and if we talk about the other thing, because that time police was helpless because many other political leader was involved in that activity, that illegal activities. And in Bombay there was a groupism of illegal activity. The new person came up and become a don. They pretend to be a don and they go to bank and rob on the on the gunpoint. And if we talk about Asan, if we talk about when a person feels he's in loss and he cannot he's not able to return the debt to bank, he try to pretend that he fire on his shop and pretend that it was his, this activity was done by automatically, um, like a short circuit. And and he claimed for the insurance. Somewhere I read about it, so that's why I used this example. And and Bulgari, I saw a movie. It's Lokhandwala. In that movie, there's a famous scene, encounter of Lokhandwala. The criminal used that building to do the illegal activities. At the end, they shot by the police in that building. That's the sentence I used, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, we have some new friends on this platform, so you might not know about that. We always have 2 sessions every day here, and 4 minutes are left. 4 minutes are left in this session, so you can also join us when the session ends after 5 minutes. We always have 5 minutes break, and you can use same IDs and password. And we have one more interesting topic, and we have a conversation on that. We have some small talk on late APJ Abdul Kalam, and I think which one is more interesting. Okay.
Sir, I would like to ask one thing, sir. Actually, when I listen my recording after the session, I feel that I'm using too much pause. So how can I improve, sir? This is the problem I'm feeling.
You have started how to solve their problem. You have started that activity, how to solve your problem. Whenever you speak, record your speech, listen it, and then work. What's my problem? Then you know your problem.
Okay, sir.
And pauses is not problem. Okay, pause is not problem. Only pause is also it's effective weapon to use. That's why use P&P for power of pause. When we make speech in the public speaking also, this is taught. P&P means power of pause. Okay, if you speak like, hello friends, my name is Prakash and today I am going to conduct this meeting, then that's not good. So when you listen to all great people, they always use pauses. Okay.
Right.
Because you use language and listeners are listening to you. But when you speak like that, they cannot bear you, they cannot stand you. But if you speak slowly, with pauses, they can digest. They can understand what you want to speak. And just remember again, how did you start speaking your mother tongue? You start speaking your mother tongue fast on the very first day, or with pauses you start?
Slowly,
We started slowly, yeah.
Okay. So again, I have also started one experiment. I have one neighbor here and they have 1.5-year-old daughter. So now she is able to make some broken sentences. Now she is not fluent in mother tongue. She makes some pronunciation problem also. Okay. She has some different problems, grammatical problems, but she just right. But in 6 months, this next 6 months, she will be able to speak her mother tongue easily and clearly. Okay. So just keep practicing, and you know that watch your videos. Whenever you speak, watch your video again and again. Then find out your mistakes and try to correct your mistakes. Work on your mistakes. So it's very easy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's why, I always tell, okay, new speakers I want to share. This is our effort. We all are here to improve our English. You and I all are here. We all have this purpose to join here. We always come here at 9 o'clock because we all want to improve our English, and we have only one solution. How can we get fluency? By practicing. Okay, by communicating, having conversation. If you prepare this word, if you try to cram these words, tomorrow you will forget. But if you learn these words by making sentences, by using in a story, and if someone is making sentence, you will never forget. Okay. At the end of this session, you know some few words or not today about crime?
Right.
Why?
Bilkul, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Right.
You did not try to cram, but now you know. So, dear friends, we have less than 1 minute.
Hello?
And we have one more session here. Okay. Don't miss the chance.